How to track your expenses in Android phone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to teach you guys how you can track your expense using the best expense tracker app for Android. So before we begin, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified for when we release a new video. Now let's jump right in. First step, locate your Google Play Store and then open it up. On your Google Play Store, search for an app called Spendy. This is the app right here. Tap on install to install this app. So you can wait for it to get installed. So install this, and after it's been installed, you can locate the app and then open it up. After you've opened up the app, you can then get started. So after you're here signed in into your account, you can then start using this app. So this is the app right here. Let me open it up. Now what you can do is you can add your expense manually. You can see the timelines, you can see the budgets and everything. So under the wallet option, you can use this for where your money goes and where you spend it. You can see the budget option. You can create your first budget in the activity section. You can also connect to your bank if you want. So let me add an expense manually. So right here you can see what I want my expense for. So let's say I'll just go to my income, tap on my salary if you're a salary guy, and let's say that I earn about 50,000. And now I will need to manage my budget. So you can tap on this plus icon and now start noting down your expenses. So if I went for shopping today, I'm gonna choose how much I spent it. Let's say 2,000 on shopping, and I'll just choose why I wrote it. You can write a note for it. You can select photos and everything, then add transaction. Now you can see I spent $2,000. 2,000 on my expense. Now let's say that I use some money for transport as well, maybe 50, and that's how I can track the expense. And yeah, that's basically it. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye. Take care.